Have you ever noticed your Windows PC getting slower, even when you didn't install anything new? It's not your hardware's fault. In fact, Windows is secretly creating thousands of junk files in the background, and most users never even know they exist. Today, I'll show you how to find and remove these hidden files safely, and speed up your PC in just a few minutes. Every time you open an app, browse files, or even boot your computer, Windows automatically creates temporary tracking data. These include prefetch files, temporary update files, cache from system apps, crash logs, old Windows update leftovers. Over time, these files pile up in hidden folders and silently slow down your system. Windows does not clean them properly by default. Method 1. Clean temp files. Let's start with the easiest cleanup. Press Windows plus R. Type %temp%. Press Enter. Select all files, Ctrl plus A. Press Delete. Skip files that are in use. This alone can remove hundreds of MBs to even GBs of junk. Method 2. Prefetch cleanup. Now the hidden one, prefetch files. Press Windows plus R. Type prefetch. Press Enter. Continue with admin permission. Select all files and delete. These files are safe to remove. Windows will recreate only what it needs later. Method 3. Disk Cleanup Tool. Now let's use Windows built-in cleanup tool. Search Disk Cleanup. Select your system drive, C. Click Clean up System Files. Select everything. Temporary files. Windows Update Cleanup. Delivery Optimization Files. Recycle Bin. Click OK and press Delete. If this helped you, hit the like button and subscribe. Comment below if you want a tutorial on deep Windows optimization or hidden registry tweaks. See you in the next video.